In this video, I'm going to explain what are put options in under 2 minutes. So let's go. Hey, I'm Jason Brown, stock market coach and option trader, and I want to break down what are put options. So put options are a type of option on a stock where you believe the stock is going to fall down. Now, most people aren't familiar with put options, but it allows you to capitalize on the downward movement of a stock. And so when you think about put options, you can force someone to buy your stock, or even if you don't own the stock, but you can force someone to buy stock in general at a certain price. So the way I like to say it is you can put your stock to someone else, and even if you don't own it, you can force them to buy some stock that you bought on the open market at a certain price. So let me give you an example. Let's just say that you have a contract. There's a stock trading for $100 and you have a contract that says you can put the stock to this person at 95. Well, let's just say over the next 2 weeks, some news comes out on the stock and the stock falls down to $60. Well, you can take that put option contract and you can put or force that person to buy your stock at 95, even though it's only trading at $60. And so that's how you make money on the downside. Because if that contract costs you $5 and you can force someone to buy it from you at 95, even though the stock's trading at 60, well, there's a $35 profit margin within that number from 60 to 95. Because hey, even if you don't own a stock, you can go buy it on the open market for 60 and force that guy to buy it from you for $95. That's put options explained in under 2 minutes. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this quick 2-minute video about put options. If you want to learn more about calls and put options, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos come out. We also have an entire playlist where we did a 5-part option series where we broke down calls and options right here on the channel. So click the thumbnail or link below in the description for you to check out that playlist.